Today I am going on a navigation course. For those of you that don't know, I recently decided on my 40th birthday that I wanted to do something different and achieve some goals, so I set myself the target of summiting 40 mountains. I've done 8 so far and I've relied mainly on my phone for navigation. So given the importance of health and safety and you know, being safe on the mountains, I thought it would be wise to invest in a navigation course. So today I'm going to learn all about using a map and compass, which should help me for my future mountains. I had a very basic knowledge because I did some research and I watched YouTube videos and looked online, and I learned a basic knowledge about map and compass, so I always make sure I've got one with me. But I thought it would be wise to invest in the course. So I suppose today I'm hoping to be able to give you some information as to whether it's worth investing in a navigation course, what to expect from that, and if it's possible to self-teach the information that I'm going to learn today. So I'll take you along with me and I will basically just be giving you my opinion and thoughts on whether it's worth investing in or not. So let's do this.
Right, so what would you expect to see there? What I'd like you to look out for is a solid black line. So these are always really helpful things for us to know. So these are just some stuff for you to stick in your pockets. I've got some on the map, so how do we then map our map? So the time I get you to pinpoint the train station on your map. I've got an map. See, yeah? Okay. Got it, yeah, good. Now can you see? Can you see that road on the map?
It's always me at the back of the class. Loving life. That's what we get then. About made it back. Do I think it is worth investing in a navigation course? The answer for me personally was yes. It was definitely worth it. It wasn't overly expensive. We did the course with a company called Map and Compass, and the lady was called Cath. I will find her details or the website details and link it below. It wasn't me that organised it, but I will get those details if you're interested in inquiring and finding out a bit more about it. It was definitely worth it for me. I feel a lot more confident in going out on my own now. I do think that what you learn from a navigation course can be learned online. I do think the information we were provided can be learned online. It is out there. It might not all be in one place, but you could definitely learn the things we were told on the course online, whether that's through YouTube, blogs, websites, whatever. The information is all out there. But what you don't gain is the physical activity. So actually doing it is what helps to build my confidence, because a lot of the stuff I had a basic knowledge of, so from the research that I'd done. So I did understand the map and how to work the compass and things like that, but actually being out there and looking for markers and things like that, that's what made the difference. Physically doing it with an instructor who you can say, am I doing this right? Because when you're out on your own, or with somebody who doesn't know somebody else who doesn't know what they're doing, it can be a little daunting and a bit overwhelming. So for me personally, yes, it's worth investing in a navigation course to build up confidence and just confirm that you know what you're doing. But I do also think that you can gain that information from online sources. But all in all, I had a great day. The weather was horrendous. It was raining, it was windy, and which I'm quite grateful for, really, because if we managed to navigate ourselves for the first time in that weather, you know, it's good experience and good practice for us. So yeah, again, like I say, really built up my confidence, and I'm quite looking forward to going out on my own again with a map, and seeing if I can achieve it on my own. That'll be the next step. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.